Ever wondered why your Msnr setups look perfect yet always flip against you? It's not your bias, your stop loss, or your psychology. You don't know how to find your daily storyline. Today, I'll show you how to get your bullish and bearish storyline so you know which direction to trade. Show you the Msnr filter that fixes it all. And videos know from trading from the soul, where smart money is simplified. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on future videos. This is a trade I sent out to my Telegram community. This is the first setup. This is the second setup, usdjpy. The second setup is running for what 1:6 risk to reward ratio. The first setup got to what 1:5 risk to reward ratio before reversing. This candle pushed up before coming back here. Can you see the precision? That's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. What's our daily bearish storyline plus candle range theory? This is what our bearish storyline looks like. The daily storyline gives us a sense of direction and makes our Msnr levels a higher probability one. For us to get our daily storyline, we need these three things: daily candle failure to close the daily resistance. Number 2, 4-hour time frame market structure shift. Number 3, the time it is happening. This is our bearish QM, which a QM is a resistance when it gets broken for the first time and it gets broken for the second time. It turns into what a QM. If you don't know how we get this QM, I'm going to be linking our Msnr playlist here. We want market to return back to this QM, go above it and reject. Then we move to the 4-hour time frame. Here we need number 2, 4-hour market structure shift. We are originally in an uptrend. Can you see a break of market structure? This is a higher low and this will be our higher high. And can you see how we came to break this range right here? And we call it a market structure shift. I'll be marking out this Malaysian resistance right here to trade from. A Malaysian resistance is when two candles move in opposite direction, forming what? An A shape. The root of this A right here is what? Our Malaysian resistance. So someone watching will say, but Vitus, no, sometimes when market gets here, it stops us out immediately. That's because in this channel, when market gets here, we don't just sell immediately. We use what we call CRT. This is what our CRT model 1 looks like. For us to confirm that our daily storyline is what bearish, we must what check the time of the day. All this should be happening in the morning during Asian session. Before I teach you how to stop losing money without this candle range theory, look at this example right here. What can you notice here? Comment down below. When this daily candle here got to this support here, it fell to close this support here and it immediately moved to our resistance. And what can you see right here? It also rejected this resistance right here, all happening at the same time. Someone will ask, Vitosno, what should we do in a scenario like this? We move to the 4-hour time frame. Can you see that even though we rejected off this daily resistance recently, that we are still in an uptrend in the 4-hour? Will you be selling in an uptrend? Of course no. Also in this example right here, can you see daily recently broke this our RBS? And if you don't know what our RBS is, I'm going to be linking this our Msnr playlist right here. Our daily storyline is bullish, but from the 4-hour time frame here, we recently made a break of market structure right here. That is a lower high and a lower low. Can you see that we are in a downtrend, traders? So we cannot say that our daily storyline is bullish till it aligns properly. How many Msnr do we have in this level? Comment down below. First, we have this support right here. Also, we have what? An RBS right here. First, it was what? A resistance. When it got broken, it turns into an RBS, traders. Which one here are we going to be trading from? Comment down below. So if you say this RBS, you are wrong. And if you say it is this support right here, you are also wrong. We let the market decide for us which zone is going to react from using our CRT. They just sent me this. This is the limit order of this USJPY trade. CRT means candle range theory. The idea behind this is we focus on this one stupid candle. The candle range low of it, which is the lowest that one stupid candle got to for that day, and the candle range high of it, which is definitely the highest this one stupid candle got to for that day. This is how we trade it. If it sweeps this candle range high first, we trade to this other candle range low. And if we sweep this candle range low first, we trade to the other candle range high. Can you see in this example right here, our second candle right here was stagnant. We won't do anything. But can you see that our third candle right here swept this candle range low of this one stupid candle? When it did that, it mitigated our 4-hour support and closed up immediately. This right here is our entry signal to buy to the upside. And can you see how this fourth candle right here displays to the upside traders? Gaining value from this video, give me a thumbs up right now. In this our example right here, when price action returned back to this RBS here, can you see no CRT was formed, and that's why we didn't trade here. And can you see when price action came back to this our support here, this first candle that entered our support right here is our one stupid candle. And can you see how the third candle right here swept its candle range low? Then I move to the 15 minutes time frame. Here I want a change instead of delivery, which a change instead of delivery is what we use when we are moving from a down short-term movement to an up short-term movement. It's not directly a market structure shift, it's just like the smaller part of it, but it gives us sniper interest. Now I can buy from here, stop loss below here, targeting this upper draw on liquidity. And let's see how this unfolds, traders. Can you see how market moved in our direction, traders? Let's take some examples. This is daily time frame here, usdjpy. I want to get my daily storyline. To do that, I'm going to be marking out this SBR right here and this resistance level also, and I'll wait for market to fail to close this SBR right here, and I move to the 4-hour. Do we have a market structure shift currently on the 4-hour? Comment down below. Know what, we are still in an uptrend. This is our higher low and this is our higher high, traders, and a break below this range right here gives us the market structure shift we need. Lower high, lower low, which makes our daily storyline bearish, traders. I will find any resistance right here to sell to the downside. Another example right here, same USDJPY. Can you see we have an open and close right here, traders? Wait for market to come back right here and let it fail to close this open and close 4-hour time frame right here. This is where market tapped this our open and close, gave us a market structure shift, traders. If we are to trade to the downside, traders, which are we gonna be using? What, this resistance right here? And are we gonna sell directly from here? No. I'll move to the 1-hour time frame. Wait for market to return back here. Can you see what is forming? Our candle range theory model 1. So I want to pick candle. This is the candle range high. Can you see the second candle right here swept it? Then I move to the 5 minutes time frame, and what can you see? What, when it swept this our candle range high immediately, it gave us this our change instead of delivery. This candle close right here gonna be my entry and my stop loss, and our target 1:5 risk reward ratio, traders. Let's see how this trade unfolds. Let's see. And can you see, guys, what, immediately if we take profit level, traders? Give this video a like right now, because we post videos every week giving you insights about trading, so you don't want to miss this. How we find our daily bullish storyline, traders. This is what our bullish storyline looks like. Here we want this our daily candle here to tap this daily supports here, which a daily support is when two candles move in opposite direction, forming what, a V shape, and the root of this V is our support. If you don't know how we mark this, I'm going to be linking our Msnr playlist right here. So for our bullish storyline to start, this daily candle right here must fail to close this daily support. Then we'll move to the 4-hour time frame, traders, and we want what, a market structure shift, which shows that the bulls are in control. Can now say that our bullish storyline have started. Now can you help me mark out the SNRs in this range? We have what, this support right here. We also have this RBS, was once a resistance, got broken, turned into an RBS. Is there any other one? Comment down below. If you said no, you are wrong. We have this open and close. Look at this example right here. Is this right here a market structure shift? Comment yes or no. Of course yes. Someone watching will say, but no, it didn't close above this high right here. If you check properly, we close above this closing price. In MSNR, we deal with closing prices, unlike in SMC that we deal with wicks. And that is why this my RBS right here from the daily time frame is also marked out from what the closing prices. I'm just gonna mark out this support right here to trade from. This is usdjpy, the daily time frame traders. This is our daily resistance, and can you see how this candle close above it? Can we say that we've started a bullish storyline? No. See, we've gone to the 4-hour time frame to confirm it. Can you see that we have what a market structure shift right here? Even though our daily time frame is staying bullish, our 4-hour time frame is currently saying otherwise. Can you see how this is protecting your stop losses in the market? We expect market to displace to the downside. Let's see. Can you see what? To the downside. If this helped you improve even a little as a trader, give me a thumbs up and also a subscribe right now, because we post videos every week. Here is my MSNR playlist and here is my CRT playlist. Check them out. Also, I just started a 3 free-day trading course on what it takes to win this trading game. Link will be at this video's description.
They tell me that I'm never gonna